Hi, this is Armando with iMeet Central Support. I'm going to give you an introduction to reports. To access reports, you can either click your name in the top right and click reports, or you can hit create and then report. We're going to click our name here and then we're going to navigate to the reports page. You'll see your existing reports on this page. We're going to create a new report by clicking new report here in the top left. You'll see all the options you have here to create reports. You can create reports on pretty much anything in iMeet Central except for databases. For databases, we suggest using database views, which you can find out more about in our Help Center. So to use a simple report, I'm going to click on Files. When I expand this section here, you'll see the options for Files by Workspace and Custom Files Report. Most sections will offer a pre-designated template made by iMeet Central to give you a quicker start to reports, but you can also create reports from scratch using custom reports. I'm going to click here, Files by Workspace. You'll get a short description and a little preview of what a report of that type would look like. I'm going to hit Create in the upper right here. So this Files report is showing me all the workspaces in my company, and you'll see the columns here that will represent the data. We pre-load your data, not expanded, so you don't have to deal with the initial load time, but you can click these pluses here to open up these groups. So now that I hit this plus, you can see the name of all of my files that are going to be found in the workspace and a breakdown of the size right here. You can add additional filters by clicking Add Filter here in the top left to pare down the data further. So we'll go to folder here and let's go to folder name, and let's say I only want to see files that are in the brand planning portal section. We're going to hit save and you'll see it'll filter down to just that. I'm going to expand that again and you're still going to have your size breakdown. You can add additional columns to get more information on your rows for the reports that you create. If you click options here in the top right, you can print these reports, you can export them to spreadsheet formats, you can edit the properties, you can choose to save them, you can also enter a full screen mode and get a permalink that you can share with your other users. Here we have the option to save a report. So we'll save this report here. Report has been saved. You have the option to share this out with other users. So if you edit properties, you can change your report name, you can add in a description, and then you can choose the users that you share your report with. By default, anyone with the link to your report can see the report, but if you want this to appear under User Share tab, then you can click this section here, and then you can pick specific users to share your report with. And then you can choose if you want them to see the report or see it and make changes. Just make sure you hit save at the bottom. And that's just a quick breakdown of reports in iMeet Central. Thank you.